supervise visits of families that are already separated. It actually depends on the family where they want to go. Like, for example, they want to go home or they want to go to a play center. So I just tag along.
So you just go with them?
Yes.
Just give me a company.
Yes.
And take care of them.
No. So I'm not a babysitter.
Yeah.
So I document their interactions and what they're doing, like that. So it's a court order. So for example, the dad is ordered to have facilitated visits. So I'm the one that's facilitating the visit.
Okay.
Just to make sure that they are spending quality time and the child is safe and all that.
Oh, no, never mind.
So my work is done. Yung work ko ngayon medyo iba siya kasi majority ng time nung fina-facilitate kong visit, nasa hospital kami kasi yung bata ay nagkaroon ng allergic reaction from her vaccine. From her flu shot, I guess, nung Monday. That's why we spent almost the entire day at the Westmead Children's Hospital. So ngayon, punta na akong train station kasi papasok na ako sa uni. And also my voice is not voicing today. Ang ano ng boses ko ngayon, ang weird ng boses ko ngayon. Kasi meron akong ubo. So ngayon na nagpapalit na naman yung weather from malamig tapos mainit na kasi spring ngayon. So inuubo na naman ako. Medyo na-awkwardan pa rin ako mag-vlog. But like this feels so much more comfortable than holding a phone or like a bigger camera. Kasi di halatang may hawak akong camera. That's why. Yes, because I will also go on a holiday on this. So there's my bus. Thank you. So apparently, kanina ko pa gusto magkape kasi hindi ako nakapagkape kaninang umaga. Hindi ako nakapagkape ngayong araw na to. And coffee is very essential sa aking pagkatao. Lalo na kapag may kailangan akong gawin, may kailangan akong i-accomplish within today. Kaso yun na. So ayun, hindi ako nakabili ng kape dahil ang daming nang nangyari. Ngayon, pagdating ko dito, yung go-to coffee shop ko ay sarado na. At hindi ko alam kung worth it bang bumili dun sa kabilang tindahan. Kung worth it pang bumili dun. Kasi hindi ako nasasarapan sa kape dun. So, I have 10 minutes to go to my tutorial. I think let's go. Kailangan ko talaga ng kape. Coffee for my brain to function. So, 2 hours lang yung class ko ngayon. 5 to 7. It's currently 4:40 p.m. Let's go! Gusto ko pala ipakita sa inyo yung aking campus. Ayun yung aking campus. Okay? Tapos, ayan. Para sa akin, ito yung pinakamagandang campus ng Western Sydney University. Kasi, wala, malaki siya. And I think ito yung ata yung main campus if I'm not mistaken. And I don't mean that in a discriminating way sa ibang campuses. Pero, yeah. So, medyo mahihiyan ako mag-vlog after. But, let me know kung gusto niyo ng campus tour. Campus tour! Kung gusto niyo ng campus tour next time, I'll just buy a coffee, then I'll go. Bye! I got the coffee and everything is blinding me. The sun is blinding me. There you go. Yung shades kasi dapat ginagamit, hindi nilalagay sa ulo. Ano po? This is my uni. Look at my uni. It's so beautiful. And I think people are looking at me. But I don't care. Okay. Bye. So find a friend who gives you soup.
What? I'll take what? The research.
She's currently ranting about the systemic injustice here in uni.
I mean, you have to agree on this.
I'm low-key trying the, what do you call this? Like the low light capabilities of this. I think it's bad. I mean, it's
nice.
true. The
Yeah.
color is true,
Hmm.
but I'm not
But it looks good.
impressed.
Yeah, this one is also good.
See, we can see our faces.
Yeah.
It's dark.
That's because it's night.
Super night.
This is bright. I don't like it.
Yes, and it's like blurry.
Yeah.
But we can see.
Like
our
we can
face.
see each other, but I think it's not aesthetic.
So you prefer the original one?
Yeah. Because it gives like I think if we are talking that in that sense, this one is nice. But if we are just showing around, then the other one.
Yes, because look, it looks grainy from
Yeah.
here.
That's what I think.
Nakalimutan ko bumaba sa Westmead. Dapat hanggang Westmead lang ako. Muli akong nagbabalik dito sa Westmead. Kasi nasa hospital si Jaydeen tsaka si Ate Kim. So, pupuntahan ko sila kasi nagpapasama rin si Ate Kim. So, kanina nandito na ako, pero nandito ulit ako. Tapos na yung class ko. Nakita niyo naman na siguro yun. At nandito ulit ako. So, another campus ng aking school, Western Sydney University. Yup. Ang daming ganap ngayong araw na to. Nakakaloka. Alam nyo, ang ganda ng option na inan ko yung option na pipindutin mo lang yung shutter button tapos automatically magre-record na siya. So, I don't have to turn on like the camera itself, yung power button niya. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-long press or i-press and then press the recording button again. So, automatically magre-record na siya. Tapos, pag pinindot ko ulit siya, automatic na siyang magta-turn off after 3 seconds. Love, yung dala nyo bang pagkain, meron ding para sa akin. Kaso 10 PM pa, medyo gutom na ako. Iniisip ko kung kunyari ang dala mo lang pang kay ate. Okay, sige. Bye! So, ayun na nga. May dala kasi silang food, so galing na sila. Galing. Hindi ko pala na off. Baka isipin niya may kasama ako. Anyway, so ayun nga, may dala silang pagkain. Kasi galing sila sa bahay. Wait lang, natatawa ko. Kasi galing sila sa bahay, so dadali nila yung food dito. Nagluto si Kobe ng chicken. So ngayon, bibili na ako dito. O Porto. Saan ka pupunta, B? Thank you. Smells good. So, I'm eating it here. Kanina, tinanong ko yung staff kung maanghang ba kasi sabi dun sa description, spicy rice. So kapag gutom kasi ako, as much as possible, ayoko talagang kumain ng maanghang kasi mahapdi yung tiyan ko. So nakalagay dun spicy rice. Tapos tinanong ko kung pwede bang gawing hindi spicy. So sabi niya, hindi daw spicy at all. Sabi ko, paano yung tolerance mo sa maanghang? So sabi ko sa kanya, basta sabi ko, kung ano yung kung ano yung hindi spicy sa'yo, ay maaaring spicy sa akin. Sabi niya, trust me. So okay, I took her word for it. So ngayon, ito yung binili ko. Inahalo ko lang siya maigi kasi merong avocado. Eh kapag, if ever hindi ko ito maubos, ibibigay ko kay Kobe. Eh ayaw niya ng avocado. So let's try to deceive him. Kunyari walang avocado. Kasi hindi naman siya halata na may avocado. And let's try it. I hope it's good. I hope it's good as it looks. Masarap. Masarap. Hindi ko na-expect na masarap. Although it looks good na. Pero hindi ko na-expect na masarap siya. At hindi nga siya manghang at all. So that's good. And I'm gonna finish it there na. Good, good, good. So, hindi na siya naisasarata. That's the problem. No, it's not. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, tinanong niya kung maanghang daw ko. Sabi ko hindi.
Nagbablog ka pala. Kaya nga pala may nagsalita na okay kasi nakakotse kasi sila.
Tangik, hindi. Kasama ko yun. Hindi yung kasama ko.
Kaya nga pala nagsasalita mag-isa. Akala ko nandito ka. Nakausap mo si ate. Pero napunta ka na dito, di ba?
Oo, nagpunta na ako dito, love. Mali ang napuntahan
Si
ko.
kuya, alis na mo.
Doon ako nagpunta sa kabila. Doon sa bago.
Ano pala mo si kuya? Kuya, hintay niya mo.
My scarf, it has four corners has my scarf. And had it not four corners, it would not be my scarf.
Pinipin ko na yung mga pinipin ko.